Dear student, welcome to online class arranged by Azad Pilot High School. I am Anisa Ismail, visiting teachers of this school. Today I am discussing an English first paper, Unit 3, Lesson 1. Dear student, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Now I am discuss and title name is Prize Giving Day at School. Prize Giving Day at School. Now I am discuss learning outcome part A, focus question. Who can you see in the picture, etc. Learning outcome: ask and answer a question, talk about familiar event, read the understand text and write answer to question, write short composition. This is the learning outcome. Learning outcome. Learning outcome. Are you understand? Dear student, next part A, focus question. Who can you see in the picture? Number 1. Number 2, what are they doing? Dear student, who can you see in the picture? I can see in the picture there are some students and one teacher. Are you understand? Number 2, what are they doing? They are taking prize from our teacher. Are you understand? Next, keywords and new vocabulary presented. Keywords: eminent, outstanding and performance. I am showing the keywords and the vocabulary. Keywords হচ্ছে eminent, EMINENT. eminent means হচ্ছে বিশিষ্ট, outstanding, OUTSTANDING, অপূর্ব, performance, PERFORMANC, performance, দক্ষতা. There are many new vocabulary words are in the part. Vocabulary: activities, 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 কার্যাবলী. brightly, BRIGHTLY, brightly মানে উজ্জ্বল হবে. CREMONY, শ্রীমণি মানে অনুষ্ঠান. decorated, DECORATED, decorated সাজানো. display, DISPLAY, display মানে প্রদর্শন করা. locality, LOCALITY, locality এলাকা. holiday, SOLIDAY, holiday ছুটির দিন. occasion, OCCATION, occasion মানে উপলক্ষ. There are many words in the part. Dear student, I am discuss and part B, read the text and about a prize giving ceremony. Farabi is Flora's best friend and they are same area. Also they are both in class 7 but they are go to different school. It is a school holiday. Flora and Farabi are talking. Flora want to know about the prize giving ceremony of Farabi's school. Yesterday was our school prize giving day. Farabi says on the occasion our school auditorium and its days were brightly decorated. Occasion means full of light, colored. Also neatly displayed and separate table on the days and the prize were also neatly displayed on the separate table on the days. All the students were present and the function, among others, guardian and the same eminent person of the locality attendance the function. The principal of PN College of the chief guest. When did the function start? Flora asked. Oh, it started on time, just at 4 p.m. Our head teacher, the first, read the annual report, then the chief guest or short speech. He highly praised the overall performance, the school and the excellent result for two performance and good result and our good results and the regular attendance. Did you get any prize? Flora inquires. Yes, I did. Farabi replies, I have got 2 prizes, 1 regular attendance and the good result last year ending. Dear student, are you understand? Next, part B. Part C. Part C. Match the word with their meaning. Match the word. Word or meaning. Words. Words are meaning. Visit. V-I-S-I-T. Visit. Visit. Go to see a. Visit. Go to see a. Person or place. Person or visit. Visit. Go to see a person or place. Ceremony. Ceremony. Function. Function. Eminent. 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 People having lots. People having lots of power and influence. Influence. Praised. Praised. Speak highly. Speak highly of sometime. Sometime. Something or something. Narration. Visit. Go to see a person or place. Ceremony. Function. Eminent. People having lots of power. Praise. Lots of power and influence. Praise. Speak highly or something or somebody. Dear student, are you understand? Thank you very much.